Hello everyone, this is your girl Evelyn. Today I'm making this video from Punta Cana Island. So I'm in Punta Cana right now and I'm here with some family members. But this also was a very learning event for me and my family. I had to give a small talk to some of my family members that wanted to hear about how to grow wealth easy. So I said I should just pop up here and do this video and just let you know how you can grow wealth easy because that's the number one question that a lot of people are asking me. So as I said, I'm in Punta Cana, and a lot of people don't know where the name Punta Cana came from. So Punta Cana, from what the driver that was taking us to the hotel told us, is it means the last stop. So I guess this is like the last stop to when they were creating the city because this is the Dominican Republic country, and Punta Cana is just a city in the state of Dominican Republic in the islands. So this was the last stop. So when I thought about that, I was like, what is my last stop? Like, okay, I know I'm getting to 50 one day, not yet, but for sure. And there's so many things that I've already accomplished in my 40s, but I want to also share with a lot of people that will benefit because I know it has benefited me on how to actually live a fulfilled life and accomplish your heart's desire. So today I'll talk about wealth specifically, but as you all know, wealth is not only financial. There's wealthy being mentally wealthy, like really being in a good state of mind, like happiness and joy and just things that keep you alive. So there's just three things that I want to talk to you guys today. The first one will be authentic, be who you were created to be. If you notice, the society has actually molded a lot of us to fit into societal norms. Yes, there's the law that we have to move by, but we have our own desires. We have a lot of things that makes us happy that we really want to accomplish, but we just go by the statu quo. Okay, everybody is becoming a nurse, I'm just going to be a nurse. Everybody is getting married, I'm just going to get married. You don't really get to think, what do I really want? Like for myself, Evelyn, what do you really want? And then how can you get it? So if you get to answer these questions for yourself, you start exploring a lot of things that God actually put in your heart for a reason. Like they say in Latin, the word desire is from God. So your desires are actually from God. And as you know, nothing is impossible. So if you got that desire, then of course God can make it possible. So I want to encourage you to go for your dreams. Be your authentic self. Speak your truth. In my classes, there's a lot of exercises that I go one on one where I actually explain how to become confident, how to speak your truth, and how to be who you were created to be, and not have to live life on other people's terms. Okay, so that's one thing that I want to talk to you about today. And then the second thing that I was going to share is just the spirit of oneness and togetherness and joy. Um, there is a lot abundance. There's abundance in the whole world. Think about how many leaves are on the tree. I think you can see the trees. How many leaves are there? A lot. So there's enough for everybody. Not only the leaves on the tree, but God made finances, money, wealth for everybody. Please don't think it's just for a few or for those who want it or for those who go after it. Everybody can go after it, and there's enough. It's never gonna be um, depleted. It's like thinking that the trees are gonna finish, the leaves on the trees will finish. No, they will never. They'll always grow, and there will be always enough. So please, let's love one another, let's support one another, and let's be there for one another. So that will be the second thing. And then the last but not the least is how to actually go after your dream. There's so many ways to do that. One of them is creating a vision board. They say where your eyes focus, that's where your mind goes, and that's where your action goes, which will be your body. So, how many of you can say you have a vision board? Or do you have goals for yourself? What are your goals? What do you want to achieve this year? Like, I have so many goals on my vision board. If you come to my office, of course, my vision board is right there. I will encourage you to take the time to create a vision board. It's even in the Bible. Make the vision, and God will create the way. Put it in writing, actually. I don't know how to quote the Bible, but of course it's in there. So those are just the three things that came to my mind, and I said I should share. Someone might benefit from that. Have a blessed day. Bye.